There's a quick run through of Breaking the Law by Aliens Family Pack. Yep, let's go. This is a quick run through because I'm not gonna open the box and take everything out and go little by little and critique it. This is a pretty heavy box because of the shells. Pretty thick box. Alright. Let's start this. We got 24 canister shells by Alien. They're pretty small, but they do like good amount of damage. Here we go with little small cakes right here. It's a matter of size and a Boomer 16 shot happy cake. Pretty alright just to add in there. Alright, this ripped me off right here. These Roman candles right here. It looks like you got like fucking 4 of them, but you actually don't. You only have 2. There's a sponge right there in the back. So yeah, 4 pieces, so you have 8 pieces of color pearl balls. You got decent number 5 single shot tubes. I like them. People hate them. It's whatever. We got a 100 shot Saturn missile. Another thing. Just you hate it or you love it. I personally like Saturn missiles, in my opinion. That comes with every assortment. The Saturn missiles and the happy cake. Alright, now with the 200 grams, we got 5 of them down here. We got a 16 shot turning heads by Boomer. We got a Mean Machine, 9 shots. Haven't seen that one. Gone Bananas, 6 shots. It's pretty good. Cake, I've personally seen it. This one and Turning Heads comes with mostly every cake assortment, like Brown Pride and etc. Then right here, we got 12 shots of Screaming Eagle. I want to know how this looks like. I haven't seen it. My bad, my phone died. So we were at Screaming Eagle. The last one is Cocaine, 200 gram cake. Alright, let's just wrap this up. I got 2 of them here. I recommend this assortment. It's a pretty nice assortment. Or you could come with this and probably another family pack, like a King Pyro assortment. You should be good for the night if you're more of the just buy assortment type of people. So this is mainly an air assortment. Pretty good assortment. Just go run through right here. Alright, tell me what you think.